Most reviews happen the day it's opened. This is not one of them. I've carried the Gerber Dime for over 2 years, using it for real jobs around the homestead, in the truck, and every day in between. Would I still recommend it? Your standard knife. Still sharp. Box opener. Handy set of scissors. Got two-sided file, mini flathead. Got your standard flathead. Can even use it for a prying tool. Your pliers with some wire cutters. Just like that. And you got your bottle opener and a set of tweezers. Fits in your pocket without being bulky. I love this thing. Now let me ask you, would you be carrying this, the Gerber Dime, or are you a Leatherman Micra? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The Gerber Dime.